Hi everyone, this is Tom from FinancialQ&A, and this is my week 36 update on my tax-free savings account and RRSP, where I use a real portfolio that gives real results. And as you can see in my tax-free savings account, I do have 31 position, and overall this portfolio is up 34%. And in my RRSP, I do have 3 position, and it's currently down 46%. And before I start the video, if you guys can help me out by liking and subscribing to my channel, that would really support my channel out. And as you can see, this past week I am down 7%, which is $6,426.83. And if you take a look at my portfolio, pretty much it consists of pretty much solid dividend stocks and ETF as well. I do have some of the risky penny stocks as well in my portfolio. I do want to show you guys this article. Pretty much this past week it has been really crazy. The stock market has been fluctuating, and I really thought the market was about to crash. Pretty much the Canadian bond market is coming to view that there's expected multiple interest rate hikes in 2022 by the Bank of Canada, and including one potentially this week, which would be tomorrow, Wednesday, that will bring price pressure under control at the cost of the slower economic growth. It currently stands that the interest is at 0.25% in a policy announcement on Wednesday, despite uncertain trigger by the Omicron variant of the coronavirus, and it would be the first rate hike since October 2018. Now I'm going to show you guys my Excel spreadsheet in my portfolio. The past few weeks, this whole column of percent change was all red, and I was all in the negatives. So pretty much my strategy at the moment is to just invest into solid dividend stocks at the moment and stay away from any penny stocks or risky investment. I would invest into solid bank stocks or telecommunication stocks or any sort of oil stock and gas. So what strategy that I follow are the cycle 1 dividend, cycle 2 dividend, and cycle 3 dividends. And I also have ETF and monthly dividends that are paid out. Pretty much I'm going to give you guys an example on how I invest. Pretty much people have been asking me, why don't I invest in Shopify? Yes, Shopify is actually a really great company to invest in. It has a market cap of 141 billion. However, they don't pay any dividends at all. Pretty much the stock price right now is all-time lows, and it has lost 50%. Its highest point was at $2,000. So if I were to buy this stock right now, I would have to pay about $1,000, and for it to appreciate to my likings and to double my money, it would have to reach $2,000 before I sell it. And the strategy that I implanted is the dividend cycles, and it's called finicky.org, and it looks at all the different dividend cycles that company pay out the dividends. So let's say, for example, I want to get dividends for April. I would invest in these stocks before the X dividend date and get dividends. So if I invest into these stocks, I am getting capital appreciation and also getting a dividend by holding the share. And is the cycle 2. And if I want to get dividends for August, I would invest in these stocks. And if the stock appreciate and also gives me dividend, I'm getting stock appreciation and dividends as well. And pretty much I do that for all the cycles. I just pretty much rinse and repeat. If I want to get dividends for September, I just make sure that I invest into one of these stocks before the X dividend date, and I'm going to get value from the stock appreciation and dividends from the stock as well. I also would recommend also investing into monthly dividends as well. because they are paid monthly every month, which will increase your cash flow as well. And so that's the reason why I don't invest into stocks like Shopify, just because if the stocks never recover, I'm going to be holding this bag of stock until the stock recovers. I'd rather invest into stocks that pays me dividends and also has the chance to appreciate in value as well. I'm also going to go back to my Excel spreadsheet and go to my total investment. And as you can see, in 2022, so far in January, I have received $157.96 in dividends. I did update my tax-free savings account as well. I do have $4,500 in tax-free savings remaining. I do on planning opening up a new brokerage with Mogul Trade, but it hasn't been released yet. So I'm just waiting for that to be released before I put the remaining tax-free savings account in there. Yeah, so that's how I invest with my portfolio. I look for great dividend stocks and also stock that I know that will appreciate. If you guys like the video, if you guys can help me out by liking and subscribing, I did leave a link in the description if you guys want to invest with Wealthsimple Trade. I believe that they are still running a promotion. You get one free stock if you use my sign up link. Anyways, you guys take care.